Hi there. Abraham Lincoln is considered one of the greatest U.S. presidents in the American history. He used to severely suffer from depression. For those people who don't know what depression is, simply when you don't feel happy regardless of how healthy, wealthy, strong, handsome, or young you are. Unfortunately, psychology wasn't that advanced at the time, so he did his best just to create his world of happiness. You know what he used to do? He used to make fun of himself. Surely he wasn't crazy. He was super intelligent. You know why? Because he knew well that no one would stand by him 24/7 just to cheer him up. So he created his own world of happiness and craziness just to feel happy. And the great message you can elicit out of this great story is, you have to know that no one will stand by you 24/7 just to heal your wounds or alleviate your pains. So you have just to create your world of happiness and craziness to feel happy all the time. Stand in front of a mirror and then try just to make some faces so that you can feel happy. You are not crazy. You are just crazy in a very positive way because you know well how to cheer yourself up. Pay yourself some nice compliments. Try to talk to yourself more positively. And make some faces just to feel happy all the time. Have a nice day.